It was a pleasant morning. The sky looked clear and it was a perfect day to ride up to the hills. With my Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350, the Black Pearl. And my friend Sangeet's Bajaj Pulsar RS200, aka B. We were all set and ready to hit the road. It was just 15 minutes after we left home, but we were already tired of the urban roads and the sounds. Finally,
after 40 minutes.
green shop, wild animals, crossing zone. Drive carefully. Yeah, I'll drive carefully, don't worry.
God is my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires it's a dry wood. Started up as nothing, now it's gold and it's all on you. With God as my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires it's a dry wood. Started up as nothing, now it's gold and it's all on you.
Currently inside Araveno. We are descending down in neutral. The advantages of driving downhill in neutral is like you save a lot of petrol, and also it's a bit silent. You just enjoy, ride, feel the wind, stuff like that. See, it's so silent now. You can just hear the wind and me talking. Riding through the Ghats always had some blissful feel. As we rode uphill, every stretch, every bend made us feel complete at the moment. Just living the moment, riding with nothing in our heads and the wind on our face.
They won't keep me far from love, and you will see me fall apart. 'Cause I turned so cold, and I thought I'd never make it. I could feel my pulses fading. Try to take for the love we got. Gotta look for a brand new start. Got me dreaming of a random song.
Right now we are at Halakare. It's in between Araveno and we stopped by this beautiful valley. This valley is very silent. I just feel like sitting here forever. Listen. It's so silent. See that?
Paint me red in this light that isn't mine. Finding every reason you can find to question my love. Although the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen. You know I'll be patient with you. You're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me. You'll know I'll be faithful to you. You're my baby.
After Halakare, we decided to head to Catherine Falls.
போட்டோ அவனுங்களை அப்படியே பார்ப்போம். பண்ண மாட்டான். இந்த மாதிரி தான்டா, அப்படியே இப்படி வரணும்டா. இங்கே வந்தோன்னே அப்படியே கோப்ரோ ட்ரோனா மாதிரி அப்படியே பறக்கணும்.
Giving me all of you. Oh, it's true. Losing myself, I found me right next to you. Oh yeah, you're something different. Instead of breaking my heart, you're picking up all the pieces. The way you're taking my heart, you're making this thing look easy. When I'm stuck in my head, we're staying there through the weekend. Oh yeah. Never knew love, never knew love, never knew love. Living without you, living without you. I don't feel lost, I don't feel lost, I don't feel lost. Now that I found you, now that I found you.
After the tiresome ride, it was finally time to jump in and have a splash. Come.
GoPro recording off. ரெக்கார்டிங் வேண்டாம்.
The Indian wild car. You won't get to see a lot of these majestic creatures in this vlog, but you'll get to see a lot of them in the next part of this vlog. That was the wrap for the day. It was time to head back home, but this is not the end of the road. We have plenty of places to go and stories to share. But now it's time to rest and drop the heat.
Sleepwalker, where do you go in the night? I find you in my dreams. I find you in my dreams.
தனியா
ஓவர் எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் கூட பண்ணிக்கலாம்டா.
தனியா வந்து
எப்படியும் அது கட்டையெல்லாம் பத்தாது இவ்வளோ சீக்கிரத்தில். we need something.
kerosene nothing.
ஏதாச்சும் வேணும்.
Did you come to make it right?